welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Darija and we're at Nanbin Fashion. So today I'm here to show you guys one of our newest design. So this waist trainer is a 25 steel bone latex waist trainer, but trust me, it's not the one I showed you guys before. This is a new design. This one. This is a 25 steel bone waist trainer, latex waist trainer. I've shown you a 25 steel bone waist trainer in one of my previous videos. And this one is different from that because as you can see, look at the front. This is basically what makes it different from the one before. And also, look at this. As you can see, the front is longer and the back is shorter, right? Can you see it? Yeah. So this is one of the things that makes it different from the previous one, okay? And so the other things are really common. It's a latex waist trainer. So this part is 100% natural latex, and also the inside is 96% cotton and 4% nylon. Look at the inside is cotton, and it has 25 steel bones. And also look at this. As you can see, we have 3 rows of hooks, and look at our hooks, it has double stitch. So this is what makes us different from other suppliers. And this double stitching is going to help the hook not to break off or bend while we're struggling to put on the waist trainer, okay? So this comes in 2 colors, like the 25 steel bones. We have the black one and the nude one. And for those of you who want logo printings, you can print your logos on the side next to the hooks. You can print it right here or on this side right here, okay? We use the heat transfer method to print the logos, so it's going to last longer, all right? And for private labels and private tags, we do offer those as well. So if you want, it's one price for 1,000 pieces. So you can make your own private labels, private tags, your logos, and whichever designs you want as well, all right? So let's talk about the benefit of this waist trainer. This is, as I told you, this is a new design. And this part, look, this curved part is what makes it really, really unique, because the other waist trainers are straight. They don't have this curved feature, so it's going to push up your breast area and it's going to irritate you around here. So you may not be comfortable wearing those. So this one is curved, so it's not going to push it up, so you're going to wear it comfortably, okay? It's not going to irritate you like the others do, okay? And also this, the short back and the long front part, this part benefits people who have large bellies. So they want to cover all part of their bellies, but maybe they have a large backside. So it's if they wear a long torso waist trainer, it's not going to be comfortable wearing it because it's going to irritate them on their backside, okay? Maybe it's going to bend, or they just won't feel comfortable wearing that, okay? So that's where this comes in. This has a shorter back, so you're not going to be irritated at your back. You're going to wear it comfortably, as well as hiding your belly in front, okay? And I'm going to say this again, the more steel bones a waist trainer has, the more it's going to help the waist trainer. Also, the more back support you're going to get. It's going to hold you more tighter, so you're going to feel the effect. It's going to mold you more and give you that curvy shape, okay? So you guys can see what this waist trainer is going to look like on me. So this is what this waist trainer looks like on me. As you can see, this curvy part is really amazing. If you usually get irritated by the waist trainers, maybe they bother you around the breast area, usually I suggest you guys wear a sports bra because those are really comfortable. But if you're outside, maybe if you're at work, if you just don't like that bothersome feeling, then I suggest you guys get this types of waist trainers because this really makes it more bearable to wear. Okay, we all know it's a really tough thing to wear a waist trainer. It's a struggle, but once you get used to it, you're going to like it, especially when you see the chains on your waist and when you see how much size you're losing, okay, how much waist size you're going down, how much waist is getting slimmer and getting that curvy shape. Okay, so I'm sure you liked our video today. Make sure to give us a like and comment if you have any questions or if you're interested in any of our products. Okay, I'm going to link our website, our Instagram on the description box, so you can check those out and send us any inquiry if you want. All right, I'll see you guys next time in our next video. Bye bye.